These banana oatmeal cookies are absolute healthy cookies that we can make at home. It's so good that we can make these delicious, soft and chewy cookies without adding any processed ingredients. We use only three main ingredients: bananas, oats, and raisins, and a pinch of salt and a dash of cinnamon powder to make these cookies. And it's so beautiful to see how this wonderful fruit banana takes in the role of sugar by adding a subtle sweetness to our cookies. And it's amazing that a good ripe banana has an aroma very similar to that of vanilla, and also it takes a role of egg and acts like a binder in this cookie recipe. So let's see how to make this healthy banana oatmeal cookies in less than 30 minutes. Into a bowl, add in 3 ripe bananas and using a fork, mash the bananas. And now add in the oats. Here I've used a quick cooking oats. And stir until all of these oats and bananas are mixed together. And I'm adding a pinch of salt. And now add in the raisins, which will add some juicy bites and bring more natural sweetness to our cookies. And now to bring out the best aroma for our cookies, let's add in some cinnamon powder and combine them all together so that they form a thick cookie dough. And line a baking sheet with a parchment paper. Otherwise, there are more chances that our cookies will get stick to the tray, as we are not using any fat in this recipe. And now using an ice cream scoop or a tablespoon, scoop the dough and place them onto a parchment lined baking tray. Now gently press the top and sides to form into a cookie shape. And as these cookies don't have butter, they will not spread, and as it does not contain any leaveners like baking powder or egg, they won't puff up and rise. And so shape them beautifully, as they will hold this same shape even after baking. So now they are ready to go into the oven. So bake at 350 Fahrenheit preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes. And one thing I've noticed is that if we bake for longer, it will lose its moisture and they will become rubbery. And after baking, our cookies are all ready and they have a beautiful aroma. The smell of bananas and cinnamon goes pretty well together, and these cookies are not crispy but soft and chewy, and they taste so good with that comforting aroma of cinnamon and that subtle sweetness from the bananas and those juicy raisins. And one more thing that I've noticed is that there is a great difference in the sweetness according to how ripe our bananas are. So it's better to use very ripe bananas to make these cookies. And if you want to make it more festive, you can add some chocolate chips in place of raisins. If you want to add more sweetness, just apply some honey on top of cookies. And I hope you like this healthy banana oatmeal cookie recipe, and I hope you will make this at home, and I hope you will love it. And please don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family who love homemade healthy cookies. Thank you so much for your love and support, and thanks for watching this video. See you next time.